Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up double opt-in with Kajabi forms. This feature adds an extra layer of confirmation by requiring subscribers to verify their email address before being added to your list, which helps ensure you're building a quality, engaged audience. Let's walk through how to enable it. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site. Head over to your Kajabi login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website editor where your forms are housed. If you're using a custom domain, you'll automatically be directed there after signing in, making it easy to access all your site management tools. Next, let's navigate to the Forms section. Look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From there, click on Forms. This is where all your lead capture and sign-up forms are stored and managed. Once you're on the Forms page, you'll see a complete list of all the forms you've created for your account. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to add the double opt-in feature to. This could be a newsletter sign-up form, a lead magnet download form, or any other form you're using to collect email addresses. Click on that form to open it. You'll be directed to the Form Editor menu, which gives you access to all the customization and settings options for that particular form. Scroll down through the editor until you find the section labeled Opt-in Settings. This is the key area where you'll control how subscribers are added to your email list. In the opt-in settings section, you'll see two options available: single opt-in and double opt-in. Take a moment to read through the description of each process so you understand the difference. Single opt-in adds subscribers immediately after they submit the form, while double opt-in requires them to confirm their subscription through an email before being officially added to your list. If you want to use the double opt-in feature, simply click on the radio button to the left of it. Once selected, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that's it. Your form is now set to use double opt-in, ensuring that only verified subscribers make it onto your email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.